Another gorgeous day out here in Benidorm this Sunday. It is currently 24 degrees, lovely weather, hardly any clouds as you can see. So perfect time to take a walk down Avenida Filipinas, then a bit of the strip, check out some crowds, and of course I'm curious as well, is there anyone on the beach? Because while it is 24 degrees, there is quite some wind over there on Levante Beach behind me. And the wind doesn't feel warm at all, so I want to know, is there anyone on Levante Beach taking a tan right now in November? So fancy dress happened last Thursday. It was an awesome party we had over here. Still loads of flags, decorations and everything are still up. And I believe the prices are still the same. Still, we don't have the winter offers yet. And I believe the bars will wait until Monday, so tomorrow, until they will go for that one again. Those winter offers you see. Because simply right now there are loads of tourists still here from fancy dress, expanding the stay. And enjoying the lovely weather Benidorm has. And talking about the weather, that is going to change as well. Well, today 24, then up until Wednesday we're looking at temperatures around 20 degrees. Still clear skies. So that is, when you're in the sun, definitely warm enough. And then after Wednesday, it's gonna drop down. I saw some temperatures of 15 max. So that is getting quite cold back then. 15 degrees, especially if there is some wind or you're in the shade. It's really freezing. Or at least, if you're used to the hot weather over here in Benidorm, then it could feel cold. But still, if you're in the sun with 15, could be alright as well. Now let's have a walk down the strip. Don't expect many bars like the Red Lion over here to be that busy yet. But I want to know for the rest how it looks like. So we can see they have started with taking down all the decorations, of course, after fancy dress. Right near the bin. Still, bars do look quite busy from over here. Well, those Rincón bars over here always do very well. Like the Calypso one. Got the Flash Hotel up here. One of those bars, usually lovely in the sun. Loads of live entertainment. It's a perfect spot for loads of people. And have a good time. So yeah, let's have a look back there. Got the silver dollar, Mariano's as well. How it is over there before we head back towards Levante Beach. See if there's anyone on the beach currently. I do think so, but still, the wind is freezing. Currently over here at Sol Pelicanos, no one waiting to be picked up by a bus towards the airport. But there is coming a bus from back there. See plenty of buses driving around in Benidorm, picking up tourists and bringing them back home. After probably an awesome week they had over here. Taxis waiting. And as well, you guys, please don't forget, do give a like, it greatly helps promoting the videos, and do subscribe if you want to see more of me here on Benidorm, or maybe even as well outside of Benidorm, but that is something for next week, which I'm going to tell you more about next week. That's quite some exciting trip coming up. Silver Dollar Bar, as always, lovely location in the sun, and really busy as well. At Mariano's there even is a line to get in and get a table. That is how busy it is. Of course it's lunchtime for everyone, but really busy in there. Of course it is a Sunday, so that means as well that the indoor market, which also has quite some food venues in there, is closed. Right about here on the left, but we did have the outdoor markets in the Rincón. It's right now around 2, so that one has just finished. And from tomorrow again the indoor market will be open, but not that many people will be here probably to see how it is. Okay, let's head towards the beach. Let's go straight through here. We have something to look at, all those souvenir shops in between of these towers back here. Something many people miss, but we can... I can't feel the wind already, it's quite cold. So yeah, there's plenty to see down here. And do some souvenir shopping, and it's really quiet as well right now. Extends all the way through there, but don't think right now that many is open back there. Let's see further on. Got a lovely bar by the way down here, tucked away in the side of it. Quite a big terrace as well. I can already see the ocean down there. This is stunning, ain't it? The beautiful ocean. It's quite rough still. Yellow flag out. And quite some people getting a tan. I have to admit, this area is quite out of the wind, but we do see a red flag over there. I think that's due to the current. Must be a strong current, and then they usually put up a red flag as well if that is the case. There are some areas with yellow ones, like over down there. Bars down here, busy as well. Bikini Beach, Roman Bar. And those water sport activities that were down here all the time. Those temporary stands, they have been removed as well. So that structure in the distance, that's used for the water skiing, well, will be abandoned until I think May. Starting of May usually, that is when it's being used again. and people really don't mind the temperature of the seawater anymore. Then it starts to warm up again. Up the McDonald's over here, one of those ones with palm trees on it. Oh, that's awesome. Lovely lying in the sun, enjoying a Sunday ice cream or anything. And then we have some other bars down here. Rica's Beach Bar, Stag and Pheasant as well. All doing very well business, and that is good for them, because probably from tomorrow onward it will be very calm in Benidorm. At least that is what I do expect. Crowd levels will definitely go down. So, gotta enjoy that good day. We'll still have loads of people around. Sea is quite rough down here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look of Benidorm over here from this side. My walk this Sunday through it. I didn't notice that much of the cold wind over down there in the corner, but I have to admit, back there in the middle part, I think that's where you can really feel it. There's hardly anyone on the beach over there, except for a few people that just don't want to walk towards the area where you're really out of the sun or out of the wind and can enjoy it much better. Well everyone, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget, do give a like, do subscribe, and if you're curious about what is all coming up for the upcoming weeks, then definitely do subscribe. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.